In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Zoom with HubSpot using the trial guide on appna2.hubspot.com. This process will enhance your workplace communication by bringing two powerful tools together, giving you more control over how you manage virtual meetings straight from your HubSpot dashboard. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the HubSpot trial guide for the Sales Hub Professional. Open your web browser and navigate to the URL provided, or you may follow the direct link available in the description below. The trial guide will efficiently walk you through all the required steps for an easy setup. Once there, look for the Marketplace tab within the dashboard interface. You can usually find this option in the main navigation bar located at the top of the page. Clicking on it will take you to HubSpot's extensive marketplace where you can explore a wide variety of apps designed to maximize your productivity. Now that you've entered the marketplace, the next step is to click on Apps. This labeled section will direct you to a comprehensive list of applications that can integrate with your current HubSpot setup. HubSpot's marketplace offers a wealth of tools designed for business efficiency, and today we're focusing on one major player, Zoom. Within the Apps section, you'll need to locate the search bar, and here's where your typing skills come into play. Go ahead and type in Zoom. The search bar filters the extensive marketplace offerings, helping you quickly zero in on the application you need without wading through endless pages of options. When your search results populate, locate, and select the Zoom app from the list. This step is crucial as it begins the process of integrating Zoom's capabilities directly into your HubSpot interface, allowing for a richer, more interconnected experience. After clicking on Zoom, you're almost at the finish line, but look for the Install App button available on the Zoom app page. Clicking this will initiate the installation, enabling the app to seamlessly embed itself within your HubSpot platform. This installation step is essential for bridging the functionality of both applications, ensuring they communicate efficiently and effortlessly. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Zoom with HubSpot using the trial guide, which means easier scheduling, faster communication, and streamlined access to great tools, all from the convenience of your HubSpot dashboard. This integration simplifies your workflow and helps you focus on what truly matters, nurturing your leads and building lasting customer relationships. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more insightful guides. Happy integrating!